Next package. I don't know who this is from. This says Fragile on it, so let's see. Where did my knife go? And I lost my knife. Alright, found it. I don't think this is the right box for Fragile materials, just so whoever packaged this knows. Alright. This is Series 3 of the magical capsules, Harry Potter magical capsules. I haven't gotten these recently. I haven't seen them, so this is going to be my first of the series. It's Harry. He comes with a mini bug beak, and as soon as I saw it, I was like, yes, I need that. He also comes with the little Mischief Managed. I don't think you guys could see it. He has a little Mischief Managed. And of course his wand, which is very popular. So this is the new checklist. So as you can see, Magical Capsule Series 3. And then these are all the characters that are going to be in this series. So I look forward to when it comes out. And then the mystery is going to be, well, not mystery, the rare is going to be Malfoy. So that should be interesting. Next package is from Kim Novak. Don't know who that is, so let's find out. I really hope this person did not ship a Funko in a bag. I see a Funko box. Okay, it's not a Funko. It's a mystery unit. And it is. So from this particular set, the only ones that I was missing was Hula Stitch and Jumba. So I ended up finding Hula Stitch. So I'm still on the hunt for Jumba. And there he is in all his glory. I just love it. Next package is from Haley. I don't know how to pronounce her last name without sounding inappropriate, so I'm not going to say it. And I don't know what this is, so let's see. Ooh, it's in a Funko sorter. And it feels heavy like a Funko Pop, so let's see what I got. Oh, yes. We have the last piece to my Castlevania set. Trevor Belmont. Oh, I'm so happy. Now I have the complete Castlevania set. And if you haven't seen that anime, highly recommend. Beautiful, beautiful ending. Well-rounded. I'll tell you more on my good guy. Next package, and this is kind of heavy, so I'm not entirely sure who it could be from. This one does not have a name. Yeah, it doesn't have a name, and it doesn't say who it's from. It just says FedEx. So let's see. But it has a candle on it, so let's see. So test results. You can freeze this box. What? Oh, it's a birthday candle. Or is it a cake? Sunday cake. It's for birthday. Armado, Mr. Will. This is not a cake. I really hope this isn't a cake, because I haven't opened it in like a couple days. I'm pretty sure. Okay. Alright, let's see. Is it gonna explode? Is it gonna explode? Is it gonna explode? Okay. I don't know. Let's see. It doesn't say. Oh, wait. Happy 24th birthday. Wish we could be there with you. Okay. So this is from my dad and my stepmom. So please don't explode. Please don't explode. I think it's gonna explode. This is gonna be a mess. Alright. Let's open it. And... oh, I knew it. I knew it. Oh yeah, I knew it. Ah! Okay. Ah! Okay. Okay. They're butterflies. Little butterfly things that flew out. Oh no, it's gonna, let's see. I got a whole bunch of candy and it's literally a cake. Hold on. Everything's falling. It legit is a cake with a candle and everything. Okay. That's cute. So I actually have a cake on my birthday. It's cute. Alright. Thank you. If you watch it, thank you. I love it. Now I'm going to eat this when I'm done with this video. Alright. No. Alright. Alright. Next package. Let's go with this bad boy. This is for me. Yes. It's like full. We got another wig. Let me show you what color it is. It is basically my hair color, yes. But more of a ombre effect, you know? More like a reddish brown type of effect. Oh, I love it. Do you guys have any ideas what I'm going to use this for? Anyway, moving on to the next package. This big boy is from Target, and I already know what I got. But I'm going to show you guys anyway. I don't know why they sent this big box for such a... You'll see. You'll see. Target, Target, Target. First of all, as soon as I saw this, I had to get this. This is one of my favorite rides in Universal, and this scene is just like iconic. Like, love it. Super excited about this. Now I'm finding some more birthday gifts. These are from my amazing boyfriend. He got me pair Air Max Pros with my name on it. You can't see it now because it's flipped, but just know. Oh, but my name's on it. Can't wait to use it. Next, I got a package from Poppin' Off Toys. This is my first time ordering from them, and honestly, I'd say shipping was pretty decent. It was a pre-order, and I got a full case of the Maleficent sodas. Focus. Anyway, I got a full case, and because my good friend Donald asked me to, I'm going to weigh them so he knows the difference between the original and the chase figure. Let me get my scale right quick. The scale is balanced, so let's see what the first one weighs. This is 174 even, okay? And let's see who I get. Mind you, if you're looking at the case, this is the middle bottom row. And because it's just easier, I use the back of my knife to lift up the lid. But sometimes these lids are hard. There we go. It's the choice. Look at that. Here she is. She has like a little scuff on her nose, but I mean still. The flame detail. Just look at that. First pull. Love that. And here is her card. 1 in 200. 2,500. Lord told me. But yeah. Now, let me just open a regular. This one weighs 131. Oh wow, that's significant difference. And this is in grams. So 131 grams is the difference. So surprisingly, I have really good luck with pulling cases if I buy them authentically. Like my Rocket turned out to be a chase, my Deku turned out to be a chase. So, you know, I'm actually kind of surprised. And then the first soda I got for Edna turned out to be a chase. And my Harley Quinn, the second one I opened, turned out to be a chase. So I have really good luck with chases with the sodas. Knock on wood, I hope I continue to have good luck. Now, if this thing were open, I guess Common doesn't want to show herself. He's struggling. Okay, hold on. With the help of my man, I was able to get it open, and here is the look at the regular Maleficent next to her chase counterpart. And oh my goodness, like the weight difference is significant. But yeah, super happy about that. Oh, super happy. And one of these bad boys is going to my mom. So I have 3 extras. So if you guys are interested, definitely.